Man, class 5-3, 5-4 is a bunch of assholes, man. I'm on this lame ass shift. I'm fucking 11 to 1, bro. Fucking 11:45 right now. I'm tired of shit. I've been watching this room and shit. Fucking shit, weak as fuck, bro. Tired. Fucking partner dipped. So I just been sitting there lame ass shit. Tired. A long, busy ass day. Had pillow fights, towel fights, worked out, made TikToks. Yeah, to breakfast and lunch, dinner. Had a speech, but went to the gym outside, played Fortnite, made more TikToks, listen to music, bullshit. This shit for the birds. I can't wait till I fucking pass the retest to get the fuck up out of here. So I'll be down. This shit for the fucking bird. My God, this shit for the fucking birds. Lots of fucking bloodshot, right? Tired as shit. Tired as fuck.